Hi, my name is Ernesta. I am the owner of a commercial cleaning company based in Brooklyn. I was not always the owner of a commercial cleaning company based in Brooklyn. I started off as a regular employee. I was managing the pediatric department of a small company, and the cleaner just was not showing up. They were going through some financial struggles at the time, and I said, hey, I can manage the pediatric department during the day, and at night I can do the cleaning because I live really close, and you don't have to pay me weekly because I understand that we're going through a financial struggle. So you can pay me monthly, which it will give you time to build that money as you gain, it will give you time to build the funds. Pretty much, long story short, the company decided to close, I'm not sure, and I decided to open a cleaning company. So I was kind of thrown into the position, and there was a lot that I didn't know. So I had to spend countless hours researching and trying to figure things out and find my way. So a lot of the terminology in business I was not familiar with. Putting systems in place, I just was figuring it out as I grew. And my business began to grow rapidly. So I had to put systems in place that can help me grow and scale my business. I couldn't be everywhere at once. So what I did was I created a step-by-step guide for my team members to follow. And this guide is now available to you if you're a commercial cleaning company. Visit our website, fluxcommercialcleaningservice.com, and schedule a pre-screening call if you want to learn more. This guide is available for Airbnb owners, commercial cleaners, restaurant owners. If you have an event space and there's a revolving door for a cleaner, this guide is available for you. Let us know if you would like to learn more by clicking the link in our bio and scheduling a pre-screening call. Thank you.